This is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2017 Kia Carnival stock number 5974. This ran from 02/2015 to the 10th 2020. It has a D4 HP 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a D4 HP 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front 18-inch factory aluminium good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory aluminium good tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear 18-inch factory aluminium good tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front 18-inch factory aluminium good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls. Factory touchscreen satnav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3 spokes vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.